Okay, let's start. Speaking part one. When was the last time you did anything in a hurry?
Well, it was just this morning because I had to go to my college as there were meetings going on for the house job that we had to start. So I was in so much rush that I forgot my cell phone, and then I had to come back halfway around
Good.
to get it.
Good. So use the word rush and all that. This is very good. I rushed to the meeting, I did this and all that. So use a variety of words. Let's go on. Do you like to finish things quickly?
Well, I think yes, I tend to finish things quickly as I'm a very anxious person and I can't relax if I'm not able to complete something quickly.
All right. So to answer your question, I often do things in a hurry or something like that. Okay. Let's go on. What kind of things you would never do in a hurry?
Well, it depends. So for example, I think I would never cross a road in a hurry or
Because give the reasons for that.
Because firstly, I would never cross a road in a hurry. Secondly, I would never rush in the morning because I tend to forget things. And to answer your
All right,
question,
this
yes.
answer needs special attention, proper organization, proper ideas, and fluency. Okay, so even if the question is somewhat unusual, just try to answer that. Well, for example, what kind of things you would never do in a hurry? Well, I'm not sure. There are several things which should not be done in a hurry. First of all, we should never cross the road in a hurry because it might cause some fatal accidents if we cross the roads in a hurry. On the other hand, whenever we are driving, I think we not be rushing on the roads because it may take anyone's life. So I think such type of activities should not be done in a hurry, something like that. Okay. Now let's go on. Last question. Why do people make more mistakes when they are in a hurry?
I think people tend to make more mistakes when they're in a hurry because their mind is preoccupied with so many things and they just cannot focus on one thing. So I think that may be the reason.
All right, this is good. So you need to come up with clear thoughts, clear ideas. Your English is good, but the way you answer, there you need practice. Okay, and be familiar with all these topics here. Thank you.